In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some shop reviews, seeing if I can help you guys to build the perfect Redbubble shop. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you are new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on future uploads. We've actually helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And down in the description, I also have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features all the information I used when I first started. And for anyone looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Shops. So yes, I'm going to be going through your shops, reviewing them, and if you have a shop and you want it to be reviewed, there's a link down in the description where you can submit your own shop for a future review. There's a lot of shops at the moment, but I am doing my best to get through them. Nevertheless, jumping us straight into this, we're starting off with this shop. It is called Shifa Home Decors. Now I picked this one mainly because it looked a little bit different to some of the shops I review, and I know there's a lot of you guys out there that do have similar shops to this. Nevertheless, I love the banner on the shop. I love the logo. I mean, the logo is very simple, but it works well. The shop itself has 74 designs, and as you can see, it's home decor based. So the front product images are things like pillows, you know, things like bed covers, as you guys can see, and they're currently sitting with only 7 favorites at the moment. The thing that I like about the shop by far so far is the banner. I mean, it looks very professional. If I was someone who's looking for some home decor based things and I clicked on this shop, I mean, I'll definitely look around. If you're someone out there who has a banner that they may want to upgrade or they may want to change up a little bit, you can jump on sites like Fiverr, literally search for shop banner design, and you find people making shop banners, whether that's for Redbubble, Etsy, you know, you'll be able to find someone that can do it for cheap for you guys. If you are someone who wants to upgrade that side of things on your shop, there'll be a link down in the description that will take you straight to Fiverr. And if you do purchase any services through that link at no extra cost to you, it also does help out the channel. Right, when it comes to the home decor space, I can see that they're probably not getting the traction they want, as they only have 7 favorites. But there is a way to find out, obviously, what you can focus on in regards of this niche, and it's simple. If you jump on Redbubble and you search, let's say if you are in the home decor space, so I searched up cushions and pillows, and if you do something similar, you'll be able to get an idea of the colors people like, you know, the niches people like. And just to make sure that you're getting more reliable information, you can sort this by best selling, and everything that shows up here is proven to sell. And this information pretty much helps to improve your store. As we can see, as we look through this, there's some weird designs that are selling on pillows and, you know, things like this. Even, you know, pillow that just says pillow on it. These are things that have been selling through Redbubble, which is weird. But I would strongly advise that you look into your niche in regards of what is selling. I'm just going to quickly look into this and see how they've gone about the titling and everything that comes along with it. So the title, this one, abstract home decor design, and then obviously it's a throw blanket. This may be something that a lot of people may not potentially be searching for. The design itself looks nice, I'm not gonna lie, but in regards to the shop and the products activated, I'm seeing there's only 22 products activated, and I'm guessing this is mainly because they are putting themselves out there as a home decor store. I wouldn't say limit yourself to this amount of products for now. Try to get a few sales under your belt, and then if you want to change to a solely home decor based shop, you can do. For now, I would activate more products than this. In terms of the tags, pattern repeating, minimal service design. Like I said, if you just search up home decor, home living products, you can just look through the titles and see what keywords are showing up on the first page and see if there's any way you can actually link them into your tags. So for people out there that have something similar, yeah, that one was for you guys. Nevertheless, moving us on to the next shop, we have this shop here. It's called Redbubble. I think that's how that's pronounced. Nevertheless, banner once again looks great. Logo somehow looks like it's zoomed in, so maybe that's something they could fix. I like the fact that they have 310 designs, so there's definitely a lot going on there. They have a featured collection at the top, more collections below. I think I'm seeing a scalable collection there, which is always good to see. Scrolling further down, I can see there are 471 favorites, so people are definitely finding their shop, and I would assume that this person is getting sales. Now, for shops like this, the advice that I give is usually a bit different, and with this kind of shop, it's simple. You want to be looking at which products are getting you the most sales, which products are getting you the most favorites as well alongside that. And then you want to take that information and make sure that you're using that information to make very similar designs with slight changes, whether that be in color or whether that be in text, fonts used, and that kind of thing. And that will allow you to keep making profits and keep getting sales through things that have been proven to work in the past. That's how I do it, and it works. And if it can work for me, it can definitely work for you. Nevertheless, I like the fact that in the shop, they've got sticker packs. They've got a range of products that actually do quite well. The sticker packs for me probably stand out the most because they will give the customer more value for money. As you can see, all I need is my coffee and my dog. I know that this was a niche that was trending not too long ago. I'm actually going to click on this. 4 cute stickers of a dog in a coffee mug. What I would do here, so they've titled it "All I Need is Coffee and My Dog." So what I would add in this title is maybe something like pug lover. I'm not even sure if this is a pug, but I would put like pug lover in the title, mainly because that then links this to the pug niche as well. I would also add that in the keywords and the tags, mainly because, like I said, it helps with search. Looking through, I can see they've got a nice little description there. 92 products, so pretty much everything activated, which is always good to see. And then in regard of tags, all I need is coffee and my dog. Coffee is all I need. All that. Right, okay, they've been creative with the tags. They haven't spam tagged, which is good to see. I would recommend that tag wise, maybe they use slightly less. So Redbubble always suggests up to 15 tags. So I would stay sticking around that kind of number in regards of tags. But what you've done in regards of starting off the tags, that's a good way to do it. And that would definitely help with search. Moving us on to our next shop. Got something a little bit different in terms of the banner. I mean, I just want to say the banner looks very, very bright, stands out, looks very good if you ask me. The shop itself is called Penny's Shop. Banner's good. The logo could somewhat match the banner a bit more, but from what I can see, they have 518 designs, which is impressive. There's no featured collection or normal collections, so that's definitely something they can add just to improve their shop a little bit more, especially if you're coming across a customer that's looking for something in a specific niche. I like the fact that they're using text-based designs. You know, they're easy to make, not too complicated. I'm not seeing too many sticker packs in there, and sticker packs are something that work quite well. So that's something that they could start to implement into the shop. If not seeing any sort of greetings cards, that's definitely something else they can do. But overall, I mean, I can see a lot of hard work's been going into the shop. I mean, they've got what, 6,500 favorites, which is crazy. They're following a lot of people with a lot of followers, but what I feel, for them to kind of push their shop to the next level, they definitely need to be taking advantage of things like sticker packs and maybe making designs that are bolder, so that stand out a lot more. I mean, I love the fact that they've been as consistent as they can be with the upload. There's a lot of uploads and a lot of things on the shop, which is always good to see. And going on to this design, so this has been titled "This Girl Sells Real Estate." So I'm guessing this is a small niche that they managed to jump into, and they've added that in the description, which is good to see. And I'm thinking, is there anything we could potentially add to this title? So "This Girl Sells Real Estate." I mean, no, I feel like that's a nice and simplistic title, so that would work. That would work for sure. And then looking at the product tags, real estate, this girl says real estate. All right, yeah, they've done a good job with the tags as well. With this shop, it's a matter of just trying to make sure that the designs stand out a lot more, that they are bolder fonts. And when I say that, it's to allow the design to look good on as many different products as possible. Moving us on to the next shop, we have this shop right here called Island Drip. Another bright colorful banner that stands out. Once again, logo could match a little bit more better here. I like the fact that straight off the bat I'm seeing a featured collection and then smaller collections below that. In total they have 180 designs, and the designs, if I can say so myself, look really good. I like the way this design stands out. When it comes to print on demand, Redbubble especially, you want to stand out. Sticker packs will do that for you, which they also have here, and very bright and colorful designs will do that for you, such as this. I like the fact that they're using proven design styles that usually work, and that they've been really consistent into trying to make what they are doing already stand out. I've seen one sticker pack so far. I feel like if they keep doing more and more sticker packs like this, I feel like it will pay off. Most people make one, it may not perform as well as they want, and then they stop. But no, you definitely need to stay on top of things, especially when it comes to sticker packs. This person seems to be very creative, and they could definitely use that to their advantage. Right guys, I just clicked on this design here. Straight off the bat, they've titled this, "Please knock before you enter." Not too sure if this was something that was trending or not. Either way, the design stands out and looks really good. When I talk about designs that stand out, this is what you guys need to be doing in regards of your designs. Let's actually see how many products this has been activated on. Only 70, so they could definitely activate a few more products there. In the description, they've put, "Get this in the perfect size to stick on your door," or whoever to say it. They may also need to put the title in the description. It's not something I used to talk about too much in the past, but the search engine optimization has changed slightly. So yep, having keywords in the description does also help. Scrolling further down in terms of the tags, I would say, yeah, they've done a fairly good job in regards to the tags. You know, they've not gone too crazy, they've not spammed, and yeah, overall, this is just a good way to go about designing. They just need to work on the amount of products they're activating. But yeah, if this design did well for this person, if you're watching, I would also say see if you can make this in a white as well, because if you've gotten favorites or sales even with this one, I feel like you could do it with a white version of the design as well. And to finish us off, we have this shop right here, the Feel Good merch. Banner looks exquisite. Logo seems to somewhat match with the banner, which is always good to see. And I like the way that they've implemented their designs onto the banner. This is something that I recommend for all of you guys to try to do if you can. The shop itself has 114 designs from what I can see here, which is quite impressive. They've got featured collection at the top, more collections just below. And as we get into the designs, they're very colorful. They stand out. They're using sticker packs. They're using kids clothing. I mean, so far so good. I mean, these are all the things I tell you guys to do, and it seems like this person is doing them. Is that a greetings card I'm seeing? Even a greetings card. Wow. Them even making different versions of design. So you've got it in the black on white, or you got it in the white on black, and then you've got it on the black on white. So they're even creating variations of designs. They've got 395 favorites. Well deserved, if I can say so myself, because they are taking the necessary steps to make sure that people click on their designs. You do that by being unique, standing out, and you can stand out through using things like sticker packs or different type of products that other people don't really use, i.e. kids clothing, greetings cards, like they have done in this shop. Nevertheless, I'm gonna click on one of these designs to see how they've gone about the titling. We'll go with this design. So you had me at matcha. I'm guessing a matcha is a drink, and I'm guessing this is something that was potentially trending. I might search that up before we go past this. They've got a nice little description. Also has the main keyword in there, which is good to see. Scrolling down, how many products actually activated? For whatever reason, I cannot see the number. Tag wise, yeah, they've done a good job in regards of the tags, the things that are in relation, and I feel like these are things people would also be searching for. For whatever reason, it's not showing me how many products they have activated, but I would hope that they have everything activated, as obviously that allows the shop to keep moving forward. In my opinion, this is probably as close to a perfect shop as I've come within this video. There are over 100 designs and they're checking off the little things you need to check off to have a successful store. All I would say for this person is to keep pushing, keep doing what you're doing, because I feel like these kind of designs will do well, will bring traction. Once you have that traction, you can then start to work with evergreen designs, because I feel Redbubble will actually push evergreen designs on this shop as long as the shop is already getting sales. And yeah, for anyone who's looking for what they need to try to do, it's something similar to what we're seeing here. This is someone that's obviously taken the time to go out the way to do the research, to find trends, and to find ways of making things stand out so people can buy them. Nevertheless, I'm going to finish it off here, guys. If you enjoy this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Remember, if you want to submit your shops for my future reviews, the link is down in the description. If you want to upgrade your shop banners, shop logos, you can check out the Fiverr link down below if you're looking to get any sort of service. If you did make it to this point of the video, comment down more reviews if you want me to keep them coming. And at the end of the day, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.